In this video, I'll show you how to use stopwatch on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, you need to head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Head over to this search box. Type in clock if you have not before. Because I've done this before, I'll gradually or I'll just click on this clock here from my recent search options, right? I'll click on clock. Once I've clicked on clock, I'll wait for it to open a bit. Now there are some other options here aside the stopwatch. This is the focus session, this is the timer, this is the alarm. I made a video about this. I'll be dropping this video link in this description for you to go watch if you have not. Then this is the stopwatch, which is the video, which is what we'll be talking about in today's video. Then this is the word clock. So I want to show you how you can use stopwatch, right? So this is it. What you need to do, stopwatch, basically you can use it to time an activity, right? You can use it to time an activity. Let's say you want to jog for a minute, right? You can come on here and click on this, right? So this would load automatically. Once it is up to a minute, you can come on here, you can pause it, you can set laps and speed, or you can reset this, right? So this is currently 20 seconds, right? So if you want, you can end this, you can reset this, right? So this is how you can use stopwatch on PC. If you found this video helpful, or if you got any questions, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.